Okay, so we are on a mission. Over there in the distance, among those glorious mountains, there is a ledge that you can see from here. That huge ledge, and on top of that ledge there sits a grave. The grave of a Fijian warrior, and his descendant, who's just disappeared off over in that direction, is going to take us all the way up to the grave so we can have a look at it. And also, I think we're also going to visit a cave, a refuge cave. Now, a refuge cave was built, I say was built, it was never built. I mean, a cave is a cave, but this cave was used by Fijians centuries ago. It was used during a time of great conflict amongst Fijians, and I'll come to the issue of the conflicts a bit later, but that cave is where they hid when they were at war with other Fijians and they needed to find somewhere to hide, and it was also a place where they hid food, because this was a time of a food crisis. So that cave has, so far as I've been told by Chone's brother-in-law, a guy called Viliami, he told me that the cave has ancient pottery fragments in it, and so we're going to visit this grave of this ancient Fijian warrior, a forebear, an ancestor of Chone, who's taking us up there. But the cave has some ancient Fijian pottery fragments. Now, I should tell you a bit about this area. What's this area called, Auntie Bui? What's this area called?
In this area?
This is Vatia Peninsula, isn't it?
Yeah,
eh?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought this had a particular name, but we're in Vatia Peninsula. We've driven off the main road, the King's Road.
Yeah.
We've driven towards the coast, and the sea is just over there. I don't know if we can see. You can't see the sea, can you?
You can.
Okay, you can.
Yes, you can. It's over there.
Okay.
It's over there.
Okay. There are some trees there. Then there's the mangrove, and there's the sea. It's actually a whole lot closer than.
Hold it up so they can see.
Yeah, it's over there in that direction there.
Is it still mountain house where we went?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That one there.
That mountain there, that has 5 ancient Fijian hill forts going back to the late 1300s.
Hey, I'll tell you something.
Yeah, give me 1 second, darling. So that hill there, that's the local Fijians call Vatu. That's what it's called, isn't it? Vatu.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's called Vatu.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
No, hang on. No, yeah, it's called Vatu.
Yes.
Okay, so that name is that name actually refers to a plateau, to a citadel on the top of the most important of the hill forts on that hill. There is a very important hill fort, and it's called Vatu Tankiri. Vatu Tankiri is the name of the hill fort, which is in a couple of a series of stone ring mounds, culminating in a citadel at the top, and that citadel is called Vatu, and so hence the name of the mountain is called Vatu. So we scouted the area early. We were going to walk up the hill today, but it's we've decided to do it next week. We've done our exploration work, and we will visit that hill fort next week, and that will be the subject of a future vlog. But for the time being, we are going to visit this warrior's grave, and hopefully get to see the cave with these ancient pottery fragments. And so this is ancient Fijian history we're looking at today. It's a beautiful day. As I said, we've driven off the main road. Vatia Wharf is just over in that direction, and we've driven on this road, and this is the Vatia Peninsula, and we're waiting for Johnny. Johnny's just gone to speak to a couple of his friends in the house just over there. And what as soon as he gets back, I'll introduce you to the rest of the team. There's Auntie Bui here.
Yeah.
Say hello, Auntie Bui.
Hello, how are you?
And
Hello, Mbula.
we've come fully equipped. We've got lots of water.
Yeah, that's a big water.
We've got lots of water. There we go. We've got a couple of bottles of water in there. We've got some food.
Yeah.
We've even got some toilet paper.
Oh, we forget that.
You never know when you're going to be caught short. But anyway, we're joined. We'll be joined shortly by Johnny and Mike Agnew. Mike Agnew is a Scotsman who was former British Army, now is a diver here in Fiji, and latterly is a prize beekeeper. He's won a couple of awards for his bees. He won first prize, in fact. He'll tell you about it as soon as he gets here. That's him over there on the on my left, to the right of Johnny, heading in this direction. And as soon as he gets here, we'll all head off towards this ledge where this warrior is buried. And I am absolutely fascinated. It's a beautiful day. It's quite hot. Okay, right. We're being summoned in that direction. So, great. Okay, so we've got Mike Agnew. Sorry, give me a minute, Johnny. We'll talk about the lease. This is Mike Agnew.
Bulla!
Famous beekeeper.
That's the one.
Prize-winning beekeeper. He won a prize recently. Of course, it being Mike Agnew, he put it all over Facebook. Would you like to tell us something about the prize, Mike?
Yes, best honey in Fiji.
Woohoo! What's it called?
Be happy.
Be happy. Wow. Oscar Wilde. Okay, so we're...
Go that side.
Oh, this way.
I knew I'd choose
Okay.
the wrong one.
Okay. His famous British Army orienteering skills have failed him.
No, that's what officers do.
Okay.
We never get lost, we get geographically embarrassed.
Oh, I see. That's how it works, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So remember that if you're in the British Army and you lose your bearings, you are...
Only officers never get lost.
The only officers never get lost.
We only get geographically embarrassed.
They get geographically... Look, there's a small creek here. Okie doke. I expect this becomes a bit of a problem in the rainy season. Look at all these
Yeah.
Kai.
Sea,
It's not
sea
ancient
level was
stuff.
a lot higher.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Mike's just having a go at me. I was giving him a bit of Fijian history earlier. Anyway, we're off to visit this warrior's tomb. Now, the reason I find it significant is that, well, hang on, let me negotiate this bit of this muddy bit here. Good thing it isn't the rainy season. We'd get stuck here, wouldn't we? All that mud. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? Yes.
Warrior's tomb.
Warrior's tomb. Oh yeah, the reason why it really intrigues me is that according to Chone, he wasn't a chief. So he had a bit of hubris, a bit of chutzpah in having himself buried so high up, because that showed that he was trying to... I mean, you've got to look at the mindsets of these people. In those days, only Fijian chiefs were allowed to be buried at that sort of elevation, or they lived at that sort of elevation. But he was effectively saying that he was. Oops! Have a look at this mud. Oh, he was effectively putting himself in the position of a chief. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off until we get a bit closer to the tomb, which is over. Yep. No, I'm right, darling. I feel I've just come back from the bar and I've had a few too many gin and tonics. Oh, I'm reading all over the place, but anyway, that should be fine. But look at that, isn't that just amazing? And we're supposed to climb to the top of that. I don't know how we're going to do that exactly, but I'm sure these guys will figure out something. I'm sure they know this area. I'm sure they know the terrain.
I'm going to go right flanking. You can go up.
Okay, we're nearly there.
What?
We're having a bit of a break. What do you think, Auntie Bui?
No. Oh, it's a nice place. Nice.
Look at that view.
It's beautiful.
We've just walked across all this brush and all these jungly bits.
Yeah.
We walked through a...
Mike, we'll come through this road again. Can we fly from there to the middle?
Yes, we need a
Take
helicopter.
up a helicopter.
A helicopter would come in very handy right now.
Oh, get your four-wheel, fly from there to there.
Yeah, we're certainly going to need the horses for you two up to go.
Those guys are just a little ahead of us.
Yes.
They're resting as well.
Sit down.
I don't know how you're walking in those flip-flops, darling.
I thought you brought my canvas.
You're amazing. I'm wearing proper shoes.
Yes, you are.
And you are doing so well in those flip-flops. Oh,
I thought we were going to come.
by car.
No, just in your back. Next time I get my canvas. Or my boot.
Well, it's a good thing we didn't climb the mount to see the hill forts today. Eh?
Yeah, because it's hot.
It's hot.
If we come early in the morning, we should
need to come.
early. Next time we go there, go early.
Yeah, we must come a bit early.
Yes, you must be early.
Okay, onwards and upwards.
Full on up.
So we're going up to that volcanic ledge there.
Sit down. Sit
And Mike
Sit down there, Ash.
and Johnny.
Slowly. Yeah, sit down there.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Come on, you poor old
how
unfit bastard.
come you are not sweating?
I'm gently perspiring.
You're
He's the British.
you're blushing.
Yeah,
You're
no,
not.
a bit more than blushing.
Yeah. What is it they say?
Umbrella.
Your parasol.
What is it? Women perspire, but horses.
Horse can go through this.
Or sweat.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Horse can walk here. No can.
This is
The-
going to visit now.
We're going to visit the cave first.
Oh, we're visiting the cave.
One and then
Wow. So we are visiting the cave first. This is a refuge cave. There are pottery fragments in it, but I suspect they're not.
People they came here
Yeah,
before.
yeah. There are no bones in there. Eh?
No bones. No.
Just pottery. Yeah.
It depends how tired we get up there. Maybe your bones, but you can't get you down again.
My rusty old joints
We knew the bony.
will see me through to the cave and all the way to the top of this ledge. Look at that view. My God.
Look at the view. Look at this. Wow.
Can you tell me those have not been sculpted?
Yeah.
I can see
So
flower.
over there in that direction, the Yasawa Islands,
Yeah.
you can see them, can't you? You can see the
I can see.
just a faint green, bluish green on the horizon.
right over there.
No,
Yeah.
no, to the left of those two hills.
Oh, is it? Okay, I'm looking at something else then, aren't I? Oh, okay, over there.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw a mirage earlier. But those are the.
Stand over here and see.
Yeah, I can see them.
People believe your podcast.
I
Be
know.
truthful.
I know.
Stop
I
it.
am being
Stop
truthful.
making shit up.
I know. That will have to be excised out of the video. No, no swearing on my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so I stand corrected. I thought the Lao Islands were
Talking about us.
I need to give my tongue a rest as much as my body. Okay, so
Not shut down.
to the left of those two hills there are what are the Yasawas? What did I say? Lao?
No,
No, I didn't. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
You
yeah,
said lalawas.
yeah. I was.
Like llamas or something.
Yeah. Anyway, so those are the Yasawas,
Yeah, come take photo.
famous Yasawas.
Groups there. 3, 4, 5. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's a
Islands.
glorious day. We're still in a bit of a shadow here. Oh no, we're not. The sun's just creeping over that ledge there, and we're getting a bit of the sun. But it's time to move on. I'm still alive. Okay. Mike, in his witty way, has descended into the cave, but it's a very narrow entrance. It's been bouldered up, so
Later on, they can get to the mouth of it.
yes, okay, yeah. So that's deliberate because it says in the records. There he is. There's Mike. Oh, he's stuck. Poor thing. Shall we leave him behind? No.
It's halfway. Look at my leg.
All right, darling. You okay?
Yes, it's halfway. Max
all
halfway.
the- yeah.
On the cut the leg.
Mike has descended into the cave to see some of the pottery fragments. So, yeah, as I said, the mouth to the cave is partially boarded up. This was done centuries ago to prevent attackers ploughing into the cave. So if anybody wanted to come, they would have to descend one at a time, and it would be much better defended if you had a narrow entrance and the people inside could defend it against outsiders. That was the whole point. So this is a refuge cave, and it is centuries old. After I've filmed it, we can put it back. Wow, so this is pottery, eh? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, very basic pottery. There you go. Ancient Fijian pottery. Very basic, very utilitarian. No designs. So it wouldn't have been used for caste purposes or for a chief or anybody higher up in the social order. This would have been used just for food and water, and that's it.
They come and
Yeah, they come in and come there. Big yacht come
Oh, Mike, he's a diver.
there. Huh?
diver and a
Okay.
sailor.
We
I
can
arrived
take
in
it-
Fiji on a boat.
We can take him there one day.
Okay, so we finally made it to the top. The grave of the warrior is just over there.
When you go for diving, you see some sharks.
Yes.
Ari, they come.
No, on occasion. Oh, magic, sir. You
Okay, so we're talking about sharks.
Gone again.
There is a mountain fort over there, and there is a warrior's tomb over there, just where the grass is sticking out from the top.
That green grass.
That, and there's just the grass, isn't there? Nothing written there in Fijian, eh? No, eh?
No.
Oh, okay. There's nothing written in Fijian, but that is where Johnny's great long time back, eh?
Yeah.
Johnny's
More.
one of Johnny's forefathers is buried there. He was a warrior, eh? And he wasn't a chief though, was he? Eh? No.
He was the chief.
He was a chief.
He was a chief.
Oh, okay. I thought he wasn't a chief. He was a chief. So okay.
Windy, thank you, Lord.
Oh,
But one thing good, when we came, no sunshine, cloudy, that's good.
I think we're lucky with the weather actually.
Yes, as we really like.
Look at that view out to what I now have correctly identified as the Asawas to my left.
Yeah.
The warrior's tomb dead center. The site of the 5 Fijian hill forts over there in that direction, and we are Sir Lords and ladies, or a lady, of all we survey.
Apart from the
What?
cows.
Apart from what?
The cows.
The cows. Apart from the cows. And we can't. Can we see Vatia Island from here? No, we can't. Eh?
Where about this?
But the island, when we reach on top of that,
We can
then
see
you
it.
can
Eh?
see what the island
Okay. Vatia Island is a small island just off on the other side of that headland over there.
Just
Where?
to the west of Whanau level.
Yes.
Pokoknya ni mati orang takos may.
But look at that view. We're lucky that it isn't. There's a bit of cloud cover today, so we're. But as we descend, we'll be covered. We'll be protected by the sides of the mountain, and we'll be in a shadow, I think, and I hope. But look at that mound over there. Are you telling me that is volcanic?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. This is the view from on top. That's the view. It is a bit too fast, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it is a bit actually, yeah. Okay, I'm doing this slowly. Look at that view. We're coming back.
I can see one boat. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Auntie Bui has seen a boat.
Yes, that's from wharf, where? Is it?
We've had to walk through all that
Yeah.
grass just to get here.
That'll be a long boat.
Okay, we are now approaching the ancient warrior's tomb, and I said he wasn't a chief, but according to Johnny he was a chief.
This is the graveyard. This is the, what do you call it?
The boundary for the graveyard, for the grave.
That's a boundary, we're in the graveyard, on the graveyard.
So this is the grave.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going heading to. This is the graveyard, all the graveyard.
Batangan apa tu ni sara keser-ser. Aku cukup na udah sara gingit cukup na apa.
We are on the graveyard now.
This is it, eh?
Yeah.
He's buried, where is he buried, Johnny?
He's buried on that.
Oh, okay. He's buried over there, okay.
This is the line where they build the stone.
Okay. They put the stones here.
That side, the big grave.
Yeah. And Mike, how are you doing?
Hi, thank you.
You are absolutely fantastic, in fantastic form. That British Army training has done you good, hasn't it?
Very generous.
There we go. That's the view. That's the view down there.
That's the view down there.
I don't know, Mike is well, he's showing off for one thing, but
Always do.
but he's in very good form. So that is the warrior's tomb.
There's some rocks on top of this,
Yeah.
but because it's long time ago, it was finished.
Big winds up here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pangana lain ni patu kalau sumber dan nyawa sampai mesana lain bila kena bayar tu kan. Cuma na.
We'll go from here, Tim, and out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Actually, it's a 10 story.
That's sorry.
Saan ito? Saan tayo murid?
Ha?
Saan tayo murid?
Sini.
Murid.
Sekarang dulu ni.
You first. Then you catch me.
Yes.
So, where's
No, I'm
where's
okay.
the least?
I'm tired.
How far around does it go?
One day we go to the Dokai as a mud.
Yes.
We're going to the Dokai. Not this much far. No.
See
no,
the Dokai gun in Ra?
Love to.
No. I mean, it's just an ordinary musket, Mike.
Yeah.
But it's very symbolic of the colonial wars, of the pre-colonial wars. Is it this way?
No.
No, this way.
That way.
Okay, sorry, took a wrong turn.
Come this side, come this side, come this
That's
side.
okay, he's fine, he's fine.
Come this side.
Stop
Yeah.
twittering at him.
Look at that view. Is it this way?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look for the pushed over grass.
Right.
Good indicator.
Okay.
If it's pushed over or a slightly different colour, that tends to mean that someone's walked on it.
Okay.
Oh, hold on there. You want to hold me?
No, I got it. I got it, darling.
I'm coming next, so if I fall, I get a nice soft landing.
Thank you.
Zim, if anybody tells you you're completely useless, say no, no. You can provide a soft landing for Mike.
I saved Mike's life.
Frequently.
Look at that view.
Long grass.
I know. There we go.
Watch out for the tiger! The tiger!
Oh.
One you refuse to jump over.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Hold on, Asa.
The easy way.
Slowly, slowly, bud. Slowly, darling. Yeah. All these two down the step. Down. Yeah,
Mike, Mike,
yeah, down the step.
you are opening your dive shop.
Yeah, well, it's a little.
Goggles and flippers.
Yeah.
Sell
Oh,
it.
On this
yes.
side, us.
Good
This
price,
side.
oh, because I'm diving too.
Okay.
Spear diving. Next spear diving.
Yeah.
This side, us.
All of spear there.
Not. I,
Slowly, slowly.
I can get you the spear.
Slowly,
You turn it on? Oh, good.
slowly.
You may have to take the sound off it.
I haven't said anything untoward.
No, no, but we've been talking about spearfishing and.
Oh. Okay. There's water on the ground here, and there's water coming. Oh yeah, water.
Coming up.
Yeah, I can feel it. I felt the water. That water's from the base of the. Yeah, yeah. And that's from the base of the grave. Huh? The grave is directly above us, and there is a fountain that has sprung water immediately below.
Water coming?
Yeah, it's in there. Lovely.
Yeah.
Wait, I can see your nose. Woo! I can go there.
You just don't believe anybody. Sir.
That one, never mind how much dry
Yeah.
this western side is.
Always
That one.
water in there.
Always water, eh?
in there.
Nice.
So it's come from the top of that rock where the grave is.
In the 1997 or 1996, like the big drought in Fiji.
Yeah, that's right, there was.
That one never dries.
There was a big drought in Fiji.
Why, yeah?
Now do you believe?
Orang tara ng boto ni Tera. Orang tara ng boto ni Garna.
Mind the eel. Mind the eel in there.
Yeah, eel, yes, I can touch it. But the bottle, the frog, no.
Siya nga kiri ng boto.
Yes, yeah.
Ako ka mo watakan nila nga meron niya
Yeah,
baby.
sit down. Deep inside, right
It's
inside.
deep,
the
isn't it?
ground.
Eh?
Yeah.
Can drink it, eh, John? Eh?
Yeah, you can drink, but
You can, eh?
it's dirty now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. With all the
People living here before
Yeah,
never
yeah.
clean it.
so that's the fountain that.
They got a big straw to drink from.
legend has it that the fountain,
That shows how much water is in.
That's the big straw.
You can.
the fountain,
Put it inside it.
the water sprung out to the mountain after the chief died, the warrior chief died. As soon as he, was it 3 days, Johnny, after he died? Eh?
Just 2 days.
2 days, 2 days. According to Johnny, 2 days after he died, according to legend, that's when the water came out of this rock. So there you go. Right, time to continue.
Yes. Da, da, da. And here he comes, the intrepid explorer.
Nearly at ground level.
Woo! Well done.
You need some chili?
And that's where we came from.
Yeah, some chilies there.
No, no red ones.
Okay. This is a small creek. Oh, there's water in it over there, isn't there? I just noticed that. Oh, lots of shellfish. Lots of kai. There's tiny butterflies.
This was the water that came through the... Never dry.
Oh, so we're having a break here, are we?
No, we're just letting you do some filming.
Oh, what is it? Oh,
Nice shade.
yeah, nice, beautiful shade.
Oh, yeah, that's that same horse.
Oh yeah.
Wanna sit down?
No, I'm right, darling.
Sit down,
Can't believe I climbed that that mountain.
Unbelievable. Eh?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright. Lack of my.
You're Mike is so funny. We needed Mike on this journey just to keep us in good spirits. Oh. Oh. So what do you think, Auntie Bui?
Here we go.
We got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're on our way. Not far now, not far to the car. We made it back from the from that mountain, or from the ledge of that mountain. We saw the grave of the ancient Fijian warrior stroke chief, and we made it back in one piece, and I am exhausted. Wow.